In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to add a border page in Google Docs in under 1 minute. So better keep watching till the end. Let's get started. So first we're gonna access our Google Docs. After that, we're gonna go and click on insert, then go to drawing, then go to new. We're gonna choose the shape of a rectangle. Then we're gonna draw a small rectangle that looks like a page. It doesn't have to be that accurate. After that, we're gonna make it transparent, so it has no background, there is just a rectangle. After that, we can change the color, let's say red. We can change the thickness and the type of it. Then we're gonna save. After that, we're gonna make the border behind the text. We're just gonna adjust our border. I hope this guide was helpful. If it is, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Thanks for watching.